Hi, I'm Ashrita Monica. I'm from CSC Star Section A. Today our topic is data structure using C. The second topic in data structure using C is queue. A queue is a linear data structure that follows FIFO principle. FIFO means first in first out principle. It has two ends, front and rear. Elements are added to the rear end and removed from the front end. Operations using queue. NQ. It inserts an element at the end of the queue. DQ. This operation removes and returns an element that is at the front end of the queue. Front. This operation returns the element at the front end without removing it. Rear. This operation returns the element at the rear end without removing it. Is empty. This operation indicates where the queue is empty or not. Is full. This operation indicates where the queue is full or not. Size. It returns the size of the queue. Types of queue. There are four types of queue. There are simple queue, circular queue, priority queue, double-ended queue. Simple queue. A simple queue is a linear data structure where elements are added to the rear end and removed from the front end. It follows the FIFO principle. Circular queue. A circular queue is a linear data structure that follows the FIFO principle. The last position is connected to the back. The first position to make a circle. It is also called as ring buffer. Priority queue. A priority queue is a type of queue where each element has priority assigned to it. Elements with higher priority are dequeued first. Double-ended queue. It is also called as dequeue. A dequeue is a linear data structure where insertion and deletion operations are performed at both ends. Applications of queue. Task scheduling, resource allocation, batch processing, message buffering, and event handling. C implementation using array. This is the code for that, where we use switch case. In the first case, we used DQ. Next, we used NQ. Next, we used front, and 4 is exit. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages. A large amount of data can be managed efficiently with ease. Operations such as insertion and deletion can be performed with an ease as it follows the first in first out rule. Queues are useful when the particular service is used by multiple consumers. Queues are very fast in speed for data inter-process communication. Queues can be used in implementation of other data structures. Disadvantages are the operation such as insertion and deletions of the elements from the middle are time consuming. Queue has very limited space. In a classical queue, a new element can only be inserted when the existing element are deleted from the queue. Searching an element on time. Maximum size of the queue must be defined prior. Thank you.